It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we're going to do smush painting, which is also called symmetry painting. Basically, what you're going to do is fold a piece of paper in half and then open it up, put some drops of paint on one side, and then fold the paper over the drops of paint and smush it down with your hand, and then open it up to reveal a smush painting that is also symmetrical. Let's gather our materials. The materials you'll need for smush painting are sturdy paper, such as watercolor paper, cardstock, or any heavier weight paper. Tempera paint in at least 2 colors, and a paintbrush or spoon for each paint color. Let's set up for success. To set up for smush painting, you will want to protect your table with a tablecloth or with paper such as newspaper or craft paper. You can also use a large art mat if you like, but this is a rather messy activity and I do suggest covering the table. Let's create. Fold your piece of paper in half and crease the edge, and then open it up. And then use a spoon or a paintbrush to drop paint on one side of the piece of paper. And you can do this in a pattern if you like, or put the drops of paint anywhere you like. And then fold the piece of paper closed over the paint drops and press it down with your hand and smush it around with your hand a little bit. And then open the paper to reveal your smush painting. Set the painting aside to dry and create as many as you like. Once your paintings are dry, if you like, you can use the smush art as drawing prompts. You can add details with markers such as Sharpie markers. You can turn them into faces or animals or monsters or anything you like with the addition of marker drawing or pen drawing. I hope you enjoyed this art activity.
It's time